Hey guys, nowadays NASA is exploring exoplanet. But why don't they explore moon? I mean to say no one have landed to the moon since from 1980. Even scientists believe that we may had reached Mars by 1983 when Apple first launched its Mac computer. But now Apple have launched its iPhones, but I don't have. But just imagine where would we be? But still, the most important question is why suddenly NASA stopped exploring moon? So what are those different problems which were faced by NASA to explore moon? Let's find it out. If we will look back into history, we will see Apollo mission was a great fun. I mean to say that they did a lot of work, but they don't have any pressure on them because they are the one to go into the space for the very first time. But during their journey back to Earth, they saw a bright spot behind moon. This bright spot is not seem to be quite interesting, but nowadays scientists is quite worried about this bright spot. This bright light is called irregular, and nowadays scientists believe that it is just a lunar dust and it is trapped by different electromagnetic waves, and you can find them at the bright portion of the moon. And the reason for its glow is sunlight itself. As soon as light fall on these scattered particles, the sunlight scatter all around. As this dust is electrically charged as well as it is quite sticky, that's why it is damaging our rovers as well as our spacesuit. Even in our Mars exploration mission, our rover is damaged by this dust. But this is not their major problem. But still, question is why they are trying to discover exoplanet if they can't go to our moon. What actually happened was the change in the budget of NASA. As soon as they got achievement in Apollo in 1994, as soon as they won the space race against Soviet Union, they decided to decrease the budget of NASA by 4% to 1%. NASA was treated badly on their success. Now, this is the reason why they are exploring exoplanet. Since their budget got increased in 2022 by 3%, that is almost $24 billion. But this is not that much to send one person to the moon. That's why now NASA is struggling a lot, and now its condition is like a middle class person. They are just saving something. But one question is, why don't they use our older rocket? That means Saturn V, which is quite efficient nowadays. Even after 60 years, it can serve lot more better than any other rocket. We have enough knowledge about this rocket, even experience too. Its height is almost 111 meter, which is 18 meter taller than the Statue of the Liberty. Even not just about this rocket, but its engine is quite effective. It can send human being easily into the space. It is quite a lot powerful. It have a potential of 85 Hoover dams. So if everything is going right, so what is the problem in using this rocket? But the problem is the excitement of the US government. They just shut down all the manufacturing center of this rocket. Even if we will try to reuse them, we have to suffer a lot. And we have to update our technology also. As well as airplane take almost 6 years to get prepared. So how long will this take? But guys, one thing is free, to subscribe to this channel and make sure to press the like button.